This is a peptide, in essence a short protein. Our bodies are full of them. Some are useful, some are just byproducts of longer proteins being broken down. But under certain circumstances, when there are too many of them in the same place, they can band together and form aggregates. They are called amyloid assemblies. Those aggregates can be toxic to cells and are implicated in Alzheimer's disease as well as in many other degenerative disorders. The conventional wisdom always was that only peptides built with at least a dozen or so amino acids, the building blocks of proteins and peptides, can form those organized aggregates. But scientists in Professor Ehud Gazit's lab at Tel Aviv University have shown that amyloid assemblies can be created with very short peptides, and even with single amino acids and other metabolites. The aggregates the metabolites create look and act just like the peptide aggregations, and are also toxic to cells. Could that be significant? High concentration of metabolites, like those that were found to create aggregates, is the cause of many metabolic disorders. For example, phenylketonuria, PKU, which affects 1 in 15,000 people. The amino acid phenylalanine concentrates in the blood and brain of the patients. There is no treatment. The only way to avoid symptoms, which can be severe, is to stick to a very restrictive diet. Since we now know metabolites can form amyloid assemblies, we can look at PKU and disorders like it as a type of amyloid disorders. It is the aggregates, not the high concentration of the amino acid itself, which kills and is toxic to the cells. This insight can put us on the path to a cure. If we can find a compound that disrupts the formation of those aggregates, we can prevent cell death and symptoms. Scientists in Gazit's lab are now screening thousands of compounds to see which has the potential to stop the metabolites from aggregating and offer hope for future treatment.